In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new market in HubSpot. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process, making it as easy and straightforward as possible. So, let's get started with our step-by-step instructions. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the HubSpot user guide. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the HubSpot URL. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look for the user guide section. This is your go-to resource for navigating through HubSpot's various features and settings. It's like having a handbook right at your fingertips, providing a detailed overview of everything you need to know. Upon accessing the user guide, your next step is to click on the Settings option. The Settings menu is where you manage all the behind-the-scenes details of your HubSpot account. It holds a plethora of options and tools to customize your account based on specific needs and preferences. By clicking on Settings, you enter a hub of possibilities and begin the journey toward creating a new market. After accessing Settings, you'll see a variety of customizable features. Look for the section labeled Markets. Clicking on this will lead you to the area where you can manage or create market-specific information. This is where you tailor the platform to align with market-specific strategies. By customizing markets, you can cater to different geographical locations or customer segments, ensuring that your marketing initiatives speak directly to their needs. Once you're in the Markets section, your next action is to click on Create New Market. This leads to a form where you input all necessary details to establish this new market. Ensure that you enter relevant and accurate information. Consider each field carefully, as this data forms the foundation of your market strategy. It's essential for capturing the unique aspects of the market you wish to target, whether it's new geographical regions, demographic segments, or behavioral profiles. By completing these steps, you'll have successfully set up a new market in HubSpot. It's important to remember that once you create a new market, it needs ongoing monitoring and adjustment to align with dynamic business goals and market conditions. Regular updates and reviews ensure that it remains effective and in tune with broader marketing strategies. And that's it! You've now learned how to create a new market in HubSpot. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you've found the instructions clear and easy to follow. By diving into these settings, you've taken a substantial step toward optimizing your marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the comprehensive resources available within HubSpot or reach out to their support team for expert guidance. Thanks for watching and happy marketing!